Hi class, this is Mr. Yu again. So we're going to continue our discussion about SQL. So we're going to learn more about how to use select. So as you can see, I added more information to the table just to save time. Now let's use select. Let's say, for example, like we're trying to select or to keep track of how many series our salespeople operate, for example. So we can put select series from salespeople. So if I click go, so it's going to show me all of them, but I have duplicate values, so I don't want to see this. I just want to see the city one time. So this is why I know the total number. So to be able to do that, we can use the term distinct. So we can put select distinct city. So this is why you don't have duplicate values from salespeople. So here, as you can see, it's much better. So you don't have any duplicate values. Okay. Okay. Now let's say I want to count. I want to know the number of cities. So we can use count. The same thing, if you put city by itself, you're going to have duplicate values. If you want to count them without duplicate values, you can use distinct city from salespeople table. So here, we're going to find out how many. So we have eight series. Okay, that we have or we deal with. Okay, we can also select asterisk from salespeople. Where, so using where, that means that here you're going to put the condition where city is Houston. Let's show me only the information about the salespeople living in Houston. Okay, so we have two of them. We can also use more than one condition. So we can say, for example, here select everything from salespeople where, let's say, city is New York, and let's say the total sales is higher or equal than 80,000 or 50,000, whatever. Or you can put equal. So here we have two conditions. So both of them have to be met. So as you can see, the city is New York and the total sales is higher than 80,000. Okay. You can also use or. Or that means either condition. So you don't have to have both conditions. Any conditions would be okay. Okay. We can also use you can also sort them out. You can sort the data based on a specific field. Let's say, for example, stuff like saving them by ID. We can select or display them. So display everything from salespeople, order by city, for example. So now we're going to sort them out based on the city, not based on the ID. So as you can see here is, now by default, it is in ascending order. So if you want it in descending order, you have to specify that. So you have to put select from salespeople, order by city, and then you put descending order. So it's the same thing, just like in the opposite order. So starting from San Antonio all the way to Boston. Okay, the last thing I'm going to show you is find the maximum and minimum. So I can find the minimum. We have to specify the field, the minimum of what. So here we have the total sales. So it's going to show me the, okay, I have to specify the table from sales people table. So here's going to show me the lowest value, okay, from the total sales field. So the lowest value is 45,000. Okay. You can add the condition if you want to. Let's say you want to calculate the minimum, okay, or maximum, say maximum of total sales. This condition, let's say where city is New York. Forgot to put the table, right? From salespeople. So here there's a condition, they have to be from New York. So here we're comparing only the New York, so the highest, the largest value, only counting the salespeople from New York is 120,000. Okay, we can also calculate the average and the sum. So we can put, for example, select sum, let's specify the field, total sales from salespeople. So that's going to give me the sum. Okay, so here I didn't put any conditions, so that's going to give me the total of all of them combined. Or you can use also the average. The average, as you can see right here, always specify the field, the total, because sometimes you may have more than one field. So from sales people, okay. If you want to put the conditions, you can do that. You can put where city is New York. So here is going to calculate the average of the values only for the salespeople who live in New York. Okay. So here, this is the average based only on the values from salespeople living in New York. Okay. So this is how we use the different ways we can use selects. Of course, there are way more. We'll just focus on the most important one. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.